Now next is B1. What numbers can be rounded to the nearest 10 to? So here 140, 200, 1000, 20. Rounded numbers are given. In which number is rounded to 140? In which number can be rounded to 200? Which number will be rounded to 1000 and 20. Rounded numbers are given. So 140 mean which numbers all can be rounded to 140 or 200, 1000, 20 is given. Means here answer is given. We have to write the question like that. Now what number can be rounded to 140? What number can be rounded to 140? What numbers can be rounded to the nearest tens? Tens means ones, tens, 100. Which place we are rounding? 4. Tens place. So numbers between 130 to 140. What number can be rounded to 140 here? So here rounded number is given. In which numbers can be rounded to 140? Numbers between 130 to 140. The gap is 10. Only 10. If 100 place we are rounding means there should be 100. 130 plus 10 is 140. 100 place we are rounding means 130 plus 100 we have to add. So numbers between 130 to 140. In what number can be rounded to 140? What numbers can be rounded to 140? We know that exact 5 or greater than 5 move to here this place. So exact 5 middle means 130, 31, 32, 33, 34, 135 is the middle. This number and more than this, greater than this number will move to 140. So here numbers between 135 to 140. Now here our answer numbers between 132, numbers between. So here we can write numbers from 130 to 140. 35 to 135, sorry. Numbers from 135 to 140 we can round it up to 140. Then if numbers from 140 to 150 is given. 140 to 150 means 145. 145 means which numbers will come rounded to 140? 141, 42, 43, 44. So with those numbers 141, 141, 42, 43, 44. So numbers from 135 to 140 or numbers from 135 to 144. 41, 42, 43, 44. From 130 to 140 means exact 135 we can round 35 and greater than 5, 36, 37, 38, 39 rounded to 140, and numbers from 140 to 150 means 140, 41, 42, 43, 44. So these numbers also rounded to 140, and here above 135 and above that number rounded to 140, and here also below 145 means 141, 42, 43, 44, 45 is rounded to 140. Now second question, what number can be rounded to nearest tens? 200 is given. So here question is given. Now we have to find the numbers. Which numbers can be rounded to 200? So numbers from 200 means. So now we have to check which numbers can be rounded to 200. So answer is given. Now we have to check in which number those can be rounded to 200. Check the number line. Numbers from tens place we are rounding off. Tens place means numbers from 190. This is very important in this method. 190 to 200. Numbers between 190 to 200 and numbers between 200 to 210 because tens place no. So 190 plus 10 means 200. 200 plus 10 is 210. Now we have to check with both the side. Numbers from 190 to 200 and 200 to 200. Which numbers go rounded to 200? So here exact 5 means 195. Above 195 and above that will round it to 200. 195 and above that number will round it to 200. And here 200 means 205 here, exact middle. 190 to 200 rounded to 200 number means 195 to 199. Now 195 to 199, those numbers rounded to 200, or 195 till 200 rounded to 200 only, and 200 to 204 rounded down, no, middle, exact middle, and before that 1 2 3 4 rounded down. So numbers from 195 to 204. So numbers from 195 to 204 can be rounded to 200. This is a workout. Now next third one is 1000. What numbers can be rounded to nearest tens place? Here 1000 is given. What number can be rounded to 1000? Means 1000 means tens, the nearest tens means we have to, the difference should be 10. 1000 is given. 1000 right here first. Okay, 1000 right here first in a number line last side. 1000 minus 10 means how much? 990 here. So numbers between 990 to 1000, and another number line 1000 to 1010. Numbers between 990 to 1000 and 1000 to 1010. Difference should be tens, because tens place we are rounding off. So here answer is given, in which what number can be rounded to nearest tens. So exact or number line exact 5 means 995. Exact 5. So here 1000 we are rounded numbers. What number can be rounded means numbers from 900 to 995 to 1000, rounded to 1000 only. Below will rounded to 990. So he asked question which number can be rounded to thousands place. So here now thousands. Now 995, numbers from 995 to 1000 rounded to 1000 only, because 995, 996, 997, 998, 999 and 1000 are rounded to 1000 only. Then numbers from 1000 to 1010 we have to check. So middle is 1005. Once 10 100 1000. Okay, 1000 is 5. Middle is 1005. So here below number rounded to down means below 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 rounded to down. So we are checking the thousands, which number can be rounded to thousands place. 995. So first we have to check the number line. Number line means thousands first we have to write, and 990. Numbers between 990 to 1000. 95 above 5 rounded to next place, and here numbers between 1000 to 1010. So here exact 5 is here middle, which number is 1001, 1002, 3, 1003, 1004 is rounded to 1005. So we can say numbers from 995 to 1004 can be rounded to nearest and rounded to 1000. Numbers from 995 to 1004. Numbers from 995 to 1004 can be rounded to 1000. Can be rounded to 1000. Next is what numbers can be rounded to the nearest tens. So fourth one 20. So we have to check on the number line. Numbers from 10 to different side 20. No, 10 to 20. Two side we have to check. Numbers from 10 to 20. Numbers from 10 to 20 and 20 to 30. So we have to check the numbers 20. So 20 right this side and 20 to 10. Minus 10 means 10 here. Then 20 to 30. Answer is 20. So numbers from 20, write 20 here first, the question 1. Then difference means 10 to 20, then 20 to 30. So here exact middle number is 15. 15 means 15 and above will rounded up. 15 and above will rounded up means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is rounded to 20. And here middle number is 25. Below 25 is rounded to 20. 15 and above number rounded to 20. Here below 25 number means 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 will rounded to 20. Exact 25 go to 30. Okay. So here 15 means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Which numbers? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 rounded to 20. So what is answer? So answer is numbers from 15 to 24 can be rounded to 20. Numbers from 15 to 20 can be rounded to 20. 140. What number can, same question I am explaining once again. What number can be rounded to nearest 10? 140 is given. Numbers from 135 to 144 can be rounded to 140. Expression is given there. 200 means 195. Numbers from 195 to 204 can be rounded to 200. Write the workout place means the number line, 2 number line notes. And third question, 1000 means 995 to numbers from 995 to 1004 can be rounded to 1000. And numbers from 15 to 24 can be rounded to 20. Write the workout place, the number line, 2 number line in your notes.